Make money work for you. Book review. Do you love reading and dream of getting paid for it? Hi everyone, welcome to Learn and Earn. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn your love for books into a fun and profitable side hustle by reviewing books. Let's dive in. Book reviewing isn't just about sharing opinions, it's an amazing opportunity because free books. Yes, you get books for free. Earn money. Many platforms pay for quality reviews. Connect with readers, share your thoughts with a like-minded community. Hone your skills, improve your writing while indulging in your favorite pastime. If you're a bookworm, this is your dream gig. Here are some of the best platforms to start earning money as a book reviewer. Booklist Online, earn $15 per review and access free books. Kirkus Reviews, a trusted name in publishing, offering opportunities for insightful reviews. Writerful Books, review contemporary titles and earn consistent income. Readsy, a hub for reviewing unpublished works and connecting with authors. Get Abstract, specializes in book summaries, perfect for readers in the US and Switzerland. Book Browse, a platform for reviewing both fiction and non-fiction. Writing a quality review is essential to stand out. Here are some tips. Be honest, publishers value genuine feedback. Stay spoiler-free, don't give away key plot points. Make it informative, share what worked and what didn't. Be concise, focus on clarity and avoid unnecessary details. Here's how to make your book reviewing journey a success. Build a portfolio. Start by posting reviews on platforms like Goodreads or your own blog. Diversify your genres, read widely to increase your opportunities. Meet deadlines, publishers value timely submissions. Engage with the community, join book clubs and online forums to network with other readers. Turning your passion for reading into a source of income is easier than you think. Platforms like Booklist Online, Kirkus Reviews, and Writerful Books are waiting for book lovers like you. Are you ready to take the first step? Let me know in the comments which platform you're excited to try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with fellow bookworms. Happy reading and reviewing. For details visit the website mentions below in description.